India is a land of ancient spirituality and vibrant festivals. Few events capture this spirit better than the Kumbh Mela. Imagine millions of people gathering on the banks of sacred rivers. This is the Kumbh Mela, the world's largest peaceful gathering. Held every few years, it rotates between four holy cities: Haridwar, Ujjain, Nashik, and Prayagraj. In 2025, the sacred city of Prayagraj will host this incredible spectacle. From January 13th to February 26, 2025, Prayagraj will transform. Millions of pilgrims will arrive to bathe in the holy waters. They come seeking spiritual cleansing and liberation. The Kumbh Mela is a testament to the enduring power of faith. It is a celebration of India's rich cultural and religious heritage. The Kumbh Mela is more than just a religious gathering. It is a vibrant tapestry of humanity. Sadhus with painted faces share the space with families from distant villages. Tourists marvel at the spectacle alongside devout pilgrims. The Kumbh Mela offers a glimpse into the heart of India. It is a unique experience that stays with you long after the last pilgrim departs. This essay will explore the Kumbh Mela in Prayagraj. We will delve into its history, rituals, and significance. Join us as we journey to the heart of this extraordinary event. The city of Prayagraj stands at the confluence of three rivers. The Ganges, Yamuna, and mythical Saraswati meet here, creating a site of immense spiritual power known as Triveni Sangam. This confluence is considered sacred by Hindus. It is believed that a dip in these waters cleanses the soul of all sins. Prayagraj, formerly known as Allahabad, has long been a center of pilgrimage. Its history is steeped in mythology and spirituality. The city is mentioned in ancient Hindu scriptures like the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. It has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, leaving behind a rich cultural tapestry. Today, Prayagraj is a bustling city with a spiritual heart. Its narrow lanes are filled with shops selling religious paraphernalia. Ancient temples stand as silent witnesses to centuries of faith. The Kumbh Mela transforms this already sacred city into a beacon of spirituality, drawing millions to its holy waters. The origins of the Kumbh Mela are shrouded in mythology, adding a layer of mystique to the event. According to Hindu legend, the Kumbh Mela commemorates the battle between gods and demons for a pot of nectar, or amrit. During this epic struggle, drops of nectar fell to earth in four locations: Prayagraj, Haridwar, Ujjain, and Nashik. The Kumbh Mela is believed to be a celebration of this divine event. It is said that the nectar still purifies these places, making the waters especially sacred during the Kumbh. This legend adds a sense of wonder and spiritual significance to the gathering. While the legend provides a captivating narrative, the Kumbh Mela also has historical roots. The gathering is believed to have originated as a way to bring people together. Over time, it evolved into the massive spiritual event we know today. The sheer scale of the Kumbh Mela is staggering. Millions of pilgrims, some estimates exceeding 100 million, converge on Prayagraj during this event. To accommodate this massive influx of people, a temporary city emerges on the banks of the rivers. Months before the Kumbh Mela begins, meticulous preparations get underway. A sprawling tent city takes shape, complete with roads, bridges, hospitals, and communication networks. The government, along with various organizations, works tirelessly to ensure the smooth functioning of this temporary metropolis. The logistical challenges are immense, yet the Kumbh Mela is a testament to human ingenuity and organizational skills. It is a city that appears almost overnight and disappears just as quickly, leaving behind only memories of an extraordinary event.